how to hide the menu bar on your Mac. So the first thing is you want to go to your settings by clicking on this application right here, system settings or system preference. You want to click on it. And then after that, you want to scroll down until you find desktop and dock. And you want to click on it. And then right here on menu bar, on automatically hide and show the menu bar, you can just choose the one that you like. For example, I want to make it on always, so it will always be hiding. But if you move your cursor to the top, it will appear and hide, appear and hide. And then you can also choose to make it never, so when you are going on full screen, it will still be right there. For example, if I want to choose on Safari and then make it on full screen, it will still appear right here. And then if you didn't find the menu bar right here, what you can do is you can go to your control center and go to the bottom until you find these settings on menu bar, automatically hide and show the menu bar. If you don't find it there, is you want to go to your general and then find it there. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.